Hello, everybody. This is Uptown Swing, level 2, right?
Wow. We did tempo today. We started off by just having you dance what you knew to faster tempos. We made you sweat. It was exhausting, and it was fun.
And then we're like, well, you don't have to triple step for 3 minutes to like 200 BPM. That's exhausting. So we started talking about different things you can do to conserve that energy and also just dance a little bit more creatively.
We worked with this little taking it in triples feel, boom, boom, with an 8 count. Boom, 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 more in 6. Boom,